Hi and welcome to Game Creation, and today we're going to be having the options for the array, so the grass, the water and the sand tiles come up so that we can click them and change the level, which would be exciting. Let's get started. So I've opened up the same files we've used, and at the moment we can select the array, and I've put a second one in there just so we've got two there. I've called it null to remind me that it doesn't exist. We haven't done it yet, but it's just nicer to have more than one there. And what we want to do is we want to use the same active as we use on the tiles, which will make this a little bit more complicated, but if I just drag that in, I will be changing the grass and water and sand graphics, and so I don't want to be just copying the graphics and pasting them in here to use in our menu here. I want to use the original one, which isn't going to be easy, but we'll give it a go. And so what we want to do is go to our dev area, and we want to say if the list box has changed, so the selection has changed, and also let's compare two general values. Let's compare the current line number equal to 0. Then we want to create the active 2, and we're going to use this as a selection, and we're going to create it about there, somewhere there, absolutely fine. Now this isn't going to work, and I'm going to explain why. There's two reasons why it's not working. Okay, the first reason is we need an OR starter frame, because we haven't actually changed the selection box at this point, so we need an OR starter frame. And the second reason is that we've created it on layer 1, and this is where you've got to get really sort of get your head around this. We want it on the development layer, which is layer 3, and this does get frustrating later on when you create new layers and stuff, but Clickteam does do a good job updating these so they're relevant. And so let's just test that now. Perfect. And we want to do this for each option, so actually we kind of need a loop for this. So first of all, create an active object as a data object, and for data objects I was just colouring the side bits, show me that it's a data object. And let's go in and change the name of this. So this will be our asset data store. Okay, and I want to add an alterable value of array 0 num of tiles, which at the moment is 3. Okay, so this is just holds how many different tiles we have, which at the moment we've got grass, water and sand, so that's 3. There's probably a cleverer way of doing it by looking at the amount of graphics we have in this, but at the moment I have no idea how I would do that. So I just save that data. It just means I've got to remember to update that if I add more graphics. But it's going to be clear when I open the level editor, I'll see the fact there's just not enough, so I can just go in and change that. And we need a little fast loop here. So create array 0 tiles, and we want to do this for the amount, the array 0 number of tiles. I don't know whether you can have a number in here. I don't know whether it's going to get confused. Doesn't look like it's having a problem. Okay, and on the loop, we create one of those, and what we're going to do is face it in the direction. We just get calculated. This first one's 0, then 1, then 2, so we can just use the fast loop index. And we need to shift the position. So what I'm going to do is actually just go shift it here. So the position, so select X coordinate, And this is a bit of guesswork here. So I don't know, 300 plus the fast loop index, I don't know, times 100. Bit of guesswork here. Let's just run that. So 300 was a bit overkill. Probably about 100. See if 100 works. 150. And because this isn't going to be shown in our game, as long as it works, it doesn't matter too much. I think it was 64. There we go, that works nicely. Okay, in tomorrow's video we're going to be selecting the different tiles so that we can use them in the game. And we're going to be looking at an issue with this, which kind of came up in Tuesday's video. So, see you then. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to see more from us, please click subscribe. We release videos every single weekday at 7 PM UK time. Thank you.